Hello, how are you doing today? My name is Glennceria. Welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands. So today, we are going to make dried rose petals infused in organic coconut oil. That's different, right? So let's see what we can do with that. But before we go into our video, I have something important to say to my old subscribers. Thank you for holding me down. Much love. I love you so much. And to my new subscribers, welcome to the family. Thank you for stopping by and becoming one of Glennceria Loving Hands family members. I appreciate you. I really do. All right, let's go get paper and pen and let's get started. I'll wait. Let's put some gloves on our hands. Right? Let's push that hair back, put some gloves on. How's everyone doing today? I hope you're doing fine. I'm good. Thank you for asking. I know someone out there said, Glennceria, how are you doing today? I'm doing great, thank you. Okay, so, like I said in the beginning of the intro, we are making dried rose petals organic because they come from my garden, which I don't use any pesticides. Organic dried rose petals infused in coconut oil. Organic. You know that brand and you know where I got it from, right? Sponsor me. So as you can see, my coconut oil is liquid white now, right? That's because summertime. But in the wintertime, we know what happens to coconut oil. It hardens up. And I have another one here. Organic, unrefined, virgin coconut oil. And you go, the first things first, you know the drill. Even though everything has been washed, sterilized, I still, you know what Glennceria does. Can never be too clean, okay? Never be too clean. So all of these have our clean jars, glass jars, mason jars, whatever you can find. I have a bowl today to catch my messies. First things first, you grab your jar and it's dry. You don't want any wetness in your jar because that can lead to molding. Let me show you that. See that? You see that necklace around there? My granddaughter gave me that. It says grandma. Isn't that cute? Okay, so here's my dry petals from my garden. Let me ask you a question. Would y'all like to see my rose bushes one day? And see what type of roses I have? Even though they're suffering right now, I don't have many roses. But comment down below if you would like to see my rose bushes. I would be happy to show them to you one day, okay? So let's get started. We don't want to make this video too long. So we are going to pack our jar, and I mean pack it. I like to push it down a little bit more. I still have a little bit more room, so I'm going to continue. There we go. So you just keep pushing and packing it down. Can you see that? Okay. Let's take our oil and we put it on our oil, okay? Let's take our coconut oil. So simple, right? So simple, but the benefits that we can get out of this and some of the products that we can use, it's gonna be great. Wait. We have to think, what are we gonna make with it? Oh my goodness, I can't wait. Sure everything, all the rose petals are saturated in our organic coconut oil. Nice. I'm poking it down to make sure I'm getting all air pockets. That looks great. You know what I like to do? You take your 91% rubbing alcohol, spray it on a clean paper towel. I like to wipe my rim clean. What are we gonna do? I'm going to infuse this for 8 weeks. Within that 8 weeks, every day I'm gonna come and I'm going to shake this bottle wherever I place it. Okay? Isn't that beautiful? Let me get a close up for y'all. Beautiful. One down. Okay, now let's go on to the next one. We're doing pretty small ones. We don't need big ones. Because I'm actually want to test this out and see. I would like that. I'm up for it. I'm up for it. I'm up for the strategy. I'm up for the test. Remember, any jars, any clean glass jars will do. As long as you can get your petals, your flowers, your dry herbs in them, they're fine. And your fingers down in it too, right? To smash it down. So I'm able to get 2 fingers down in here, so I'm good. I think that's enough. Y'all, I don't think y'all want to see me cry. Not yet, anyway. That's one fact about me that you don't know. I'm a crybaby. Ooh. And I'm a Cancer. I just had a birthday. Wish me a happy belated birthday. I turned 60 years old, June 27. Can you believe that? I'm 60. I'm not getting old. I'm just getting better. Don't even worry about it. I'm okay. I'm okay with it. Look at my new beginnings at 60. Okay? So don't let anybody tell you what you can and cannot do. I am 60 years old and I started a YouTube channel. I am a content creator on YouTube at 60 years old. Can you believe that? Never too late. Don't let anyone stop your dreams. If there's something you want to do, you get up and you do it. You hear me? Because if I can do it, you better believe me, you can do it. I've been contemplating on coming to YouTube for years and always had so many excuses. So many. You know I'm going to spray it again, right? That's what we do. No, I'm gonna wash my rim too, right? We're gonna wipe our rim, and of course we are. Hold it up to you guys, so y'all can see, get my fingers and stuff out the way. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely. Okay. So here's my clean glass jar. Of course, we're gonna apply some of our rose petals from my garden. Okay, you know what time this is, right? You know what time it is? It's time to like this video. It's time to subscribe to Glennceria Loving Hands if you haven't already. And if you have, thank you very much and welcome, family. Welcome to my family. Hit that notification button. Bell, let's say, right? Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. I don't want you to miss any of my videos, okay? So you're gonna answer my question down below. Would you like to see my roses, my rose bushes one day? I would be happy to show it to you one day. Just let me know, all right? Comment down below. And another thing I need you to comment on, what would you like for me to make with the coconut oil? Rose petals infused in organic coconut oil. Okay. All right, here we go. We have our tops. My alcohol again. Let's clean our rim off. Can't see that. I said my granddaughter gave me that necklace. My granddaughter name is Nyla. If you was wondering, Nyla's my granddaughter, my only granddaughter as well. The rest are boys. Here we go. Isn't that beautiful? Let me bring it closer so you can see. There we go. So simple, right? I leave some tips down below. Oh, let me show you real quick, since we have some of the hold in here. Some of my roses that I just picked. I believe I picked these yesterday. Now these have to be destemmed, but this is actually from my peace rose. And peace rose was developed right after World War II. It's called the Peace Rose. That's what that rose from. Thank you so much for stopping by and joining me today. I appreciate you, I really do. And always, like you know, love you, love you, love you always. I appreciate you. From Glennceria Loving Hands. Mwah. Listen, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? Y'all take care. And remember, if you have something you want to ask me, right? We have 2 questions down there. Do you want to see my rose bushes? And what was the other question? Tell me what. I know you know it. Write it down below. Have a good day. Love you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Dried organic rose petals, infused in organic coconut oil. Here it is, Glennceria Loving Hands. Handmade soaps, luxurious skincare treats.